Hey Mike, what are you doing?
Hey y'all, well I'm the Husa culture show chair this year and I'm just putting together the schedule for the event.
Oh, so what is the Husa's Culture Show?
The Husa culture show is an event that we have every year to promote cultural awareness, and our theme this year is Malvasia.
Sounds interesting. So what are you guys doing at the culture show this year?
This year we have guest speaker BA, and we also have guest performer Yami Lee, and many other things such as Hmong dancing, Hmong instruments, and Hmong folk song. We also have a live exhibit, which is really exciting.
Sounds great. So when is the Husa's Culture Show?
The culture show is on April 20th in the Sacramento State University Ballroom. It will be from 4 to 7 p.m. and doors are open at 3 p.m. for live exhibit view.
So will there be any free parking for everyone?
Yeah, every year we have free parking on parking structure too, and we'll be having signs leading us there as well.
Sounds great. Will there be any prize away?
Yeah, we have prize giveaways such as Hmong festival tickets and many other things. So bring your family. It's really exciting.
Are you guys talking about the culture show?
Oh
Yeah.
You should definitely go. It's super cool.
Oh yeah. Hope to
Hope
see you there.
there.
Shoot